How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on Turkey Lake TV, we are making this Harbor Freight Anvil specific anvil stand. I hope you like the video. Let's get into it. So all the steel you're gonna see here was purchased from my local scrap yard. It cost me roughly about $26 for this steel. That got me this 4-inch in diameter pipe. It's about 30 inches tall, and this 3/8 by 6 inches by 2 feet long, and another steel plate that's about 3/8 inch by 8 inches by 2 feet long. And then also some other steel from my local hardware store for about 15 bucks. So all in all, this project was no more than $45. So I'm gonna finish cutting all this up and then weld it together. So let's do it.
So in love with you. You got me down again.
So I forgot to press record when I was welding the bottom of this, but I welded it all and then I grounded the 2 notches into the side of it, and I'm grinding another 2 notches right now so that I could weld bolts onto it that go straight up, and I can set the Harbor Freight anvil on top, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to do the same thing I did on the bottom to the top, and also weld the bolts on to the anvil so that I can take the anvil off and the bolts stay where they're at. another Harbor Freight anvil stand. If you like it, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Comment if you want to see more videos like that. We're gonna have more Harbor Freight anvil specific videos coming next. We're gonna be making hardy tools and other things for this. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.